How to perform basic car maintenance. Performing basic car maintenance is essential to keep your vehicle running smoothly and extend its lifespan. Here's a guide to some of the key tasks. Frequency: every 3,000 to 5,000 miles or as recommended by your car manufacturer. Warm up the engine. Lift the car using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Place a container under the oil pan, remove the drain plug, and let the oil drain out. Replace the drain plug and remove the old oil filter. Install a new oil filter and add new oil to the engine. Locate the air filter box. Open the box and remove the old filter. Insert the new filter and close the box. Use a tire pressure gauge to check the pressure. Inflate the tires to the recommended PSI. Inspect the tread for wear and depth. Lift the car and remove the tires. Rotate the tires according to your vehicle's recommended pattern. Reinstall the tires and lower the car. Lift the wiper arm and remove the old blade. Attach the new blade and ensure it is secure. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion. Clean the terminals with a mixture of baking soda and water. Check the battery voltage with a multimeter. Locate the spark plugs. Remove the spark plug wires. Use a spark plug socket to remove the old plugs. Install the new plugs and reattach the wires. Turn on your headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights. Replace any bulbs that are not functioning.